Welcome to Overflowing Wealth. This channel will teach you how to make money and to use your smartphone to make money. Now I'm going to teach you how to print on t-shirts and sell them on demand using your smartphone. You don't need to get a knowledge of how to go about this. I'm going to put you through how to do it from start to finish. Let's start it. Now the first thing you do is you go to canva.com, and in canva.com what you do there is you design the images, or you make the design of what you want to print on your t-shirt. And the first thing you do is come to create design and come to poster. Now the poster will give you the templates where you print your stuff there, and here you can just put text there, you can put hard image, however you want to put it. But in this case I'm going to be putting, let's say, text. Now for example, let me write overflowing wealth. Okay, so now you position your text, you can choose to add image if you so wish. You can choose to add image. For example, let's look for image to add here. You can choose whatever you wish to add. For example, let's say this one, just saying for the sake of this class, you can put anything there. Actually, you can design whatever you want to be there. Let's say for this, okay, let's assume this is our design, for example. Then you click on download, and very important, you come to file type, you choose PNG for high quality image. Then you click download. Then momentarily your image is being downloaded, and the next thing you do is you go to a website called Teespring.com. This is where you get your design done, and this is where you print on the t-shirt. So if you are new to this site here and automatically sign in here, you see sign in or sign up. You just register and you are in. Then you start designing. You click on start designing, and that takes you to where you choose what you want to design on, because they have a variety of things. Actually, it's not just t-shirts. You can decide to print on almost anything: the indoor pillow, the cloth face mask, phone cases, backpacks, accessory pouch, bags, mugs, anything. Actually, for the purpose of this course, we will be printing on long sleeves t-shirt. So let's assume we want to print on this. You click this, then you can now choose which one you want. Let's say you want this white shirt. You click it, it brings it here. So the next thing and the first thing you do is you go to image, you click on image, then it brings to where you save the design you made on canvas.com. Then you can just click on it, open it, then it brings it here. You see it, so it brings it here. So when it brings it here, you can now adjust, arrange, and do anything you want to do on it. Of course, there is a red dotted line there, so that shows you that your images must not go beyond those lines. That's what it means. Your images must not go beyond those lines. Please take note of that. And of course, if you want to print at the back too, your choice. But in this case now, it's just you're just gonna print on the front page. And the next thing you do is, of course, there are varieties of colors. You can decide to print on other colors, but for this, for the purpose of this teaching, we are using only white color. And here, this is where you control the price. You can also always control the price. So if this shirt is sold for $30.99, this is your profit, $11 But for you can choose to increase it, and you can, of course, how that impacts your sale, and you can decide to reduce the price to maybe say 24.99 cents. So that gives you $5 on one shirt. So depending on how many shirts you are selling, and you can choose to add text to here if you so wish. So when you are done, you just click continue here. So when you click continue, then you move to the next level, and it shows you all the materials that you can choose from. You can choose to print the same design on. So you can now decide to choose them. There's this short sleeve. Initially we started with the long sleeves. There are some other ones there that you can choose from. So you can choose, all these ones depending on what you want and how you want it. So when you click it, this is the initial material you choose. You can decide to click on this one too, and click on other ones too. You can select this style, you know maybe you choose it, or this one too has variety of designs. So whichever one you choose, you just click on them and you say you are done. And when you are through, you click continue. So when you are done with this one, what to do is you just title, you give your design a title. So you can just say demo design. Then you describe your design. Of course, this is what your buyers will see and attract them to overflowing wealth. You can just write about overflowing wealth, you know. Maybe you can write anything at all. This is where your life starts from. Just to write something for the purpose of this class. And when you are done with this one, then you just click publish. Just click publish. Then it publish it. Then that means your market is there already. Your market is there already. Then you can view in store, you can create another listing, you can promote listing. So promoting listing now, when you click this one, it gives you a link that you can post on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook page, on your YouTube channel, or your blog page, all other pages, on your e-commerce page, on your affiliate marketing page, wherever you want to push it, that direct people to this site to visit your store and buy the design. And as they are buying, then you are getting your money. So this doesn't cost you any money at all, and doesn't cost you time. It doesn't take your time. You are done in no time, and you can do as many as you want to design. Take your time to design to the taste of what you can buy. So that's where it starts from. You don't just do anything shabbily. You make sure that you design it such that even when you see it, you know that you can really put your money to this and buy them. So design it with that mindset, so that when people see it, they are attracted to it and they always want to buy it, and you can start make money. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new. Like this video. Please comment down below if you have any question, and join my WhatsApp group. If you have any question, drop it there. I'll respond to them quickly as I can, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay in an overflowing wealth.